Hello everyone, today we'll be studying course of action. So you can see that course of action over here means that what is your next step or what is your plan to address a problem or situation. So you can understand if there has occurred some situation, so what will be your next action, or you can say what is your next step towards that situation, or you can say what is your next plan towards that situation. So you can write it as this is a step or plan to address a problem or situation. So you can see that here are some key pointers that have to be remembered. So you can see that while taking the action, you have to not be personal, or you have to not take harsh action. You have to take a bit soft action. So you can write it as no personal, and you can say no harsh action. And you can say that if there is some repeated problem, or you can say if a problem is occurring again and again, then you can take a bit harsh action. Then harsh action can be taken. And you can see if there is some soft problem, then action has to be also soft action. And if there is some hard problem, then you can take hard action. So you can see that you have to take action according to the situation. You can see that course of action should be positive and it should be related to the problem. Okay, so you can write course of action should be positive and should be related to the problem. And you can see that you cannot restrict anybody. No restrictions. So let's understand it once again. So you can see course of action means if there has occurred some problem or situation, so what will be your next step or your next plan towards that situation. So you can see that you have to not take the situation personally. You have to be according to the situation, and you have to not take any harsh action. And you can see if there has occurred some problem again and again, then you can go for the harsh action. And you can see if there is some soft problem, then you have to take soft action. And if there has occurred some hard problem, then you can take hard action. And you have to take action according to the situation. It should be related to the situation, and you cannot restrict anybody. Hope so the video was helpful. Thank you so much.